Wrap up lesson 3 here. Jada and Lynn are comparing inches and feet. Jada says that the constant of proportionality is 12, and Lynn, sorry about this guys, this cut out, she was saying that it is a 12. Sorry about that. I'll mention that in class, make sure everybody gets that typo. Do you agree with either of them and explain your reasoning? Well, we kind of saw this take place in problem number 2. Because there are 1,000 meters in kilometers, the constant of proportionality really can be represented both ways, as 12 or 1/12. It just depends on how you set up the table. I mean, if one of them is to set up the table of inches to feet, then what are you going to do to inches to get feet? Well, you're going to multiply by a 12th, like Lynn says, because if I do 12 and multiply by 1/12, it will give me the correct 1 foot. But if I set my table up the other way around and flip it and put feet on the left and inches on the right, and I write down 1 over here, what do I expect to do to get my constant over to 12 inches? And that's multiplied by 12. So here in this particular case, we can agree with both. We can agree with both of them, and then because the reason why we can agree with both of them is because the constant really depends on the order in which you put the conversion, feet and inches, as you see here in the table. So, answer that in your own words, explaining why both of them are actually correct, because there are 12. 12 is going to be involved. It just depends on if you want to go to inches to feet or feet to inches. And if you get that figured out, then you should be in good shape. Write that explanation for credit.